What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm gonna be reacting to a Call TAT. Smashing alarm clock at 11. Thank you for shouting me out. Shout out to you. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get into it.
Call TAT back into the video. Now I gotta be really quiet for this video because half of my family's asleep. Okay, but before this video begins, just want to say go subscribe to my friend Josh Gaming. Also, while you're at, subscribe to Ann Gaming, Jacob Beck 2005, DonnyvanGOBLUE, Shawnee Boy. All those links in the description. But for now, this is gonna be kind of a different video. Where did I put that? I have no idea where I put it. Oh, here it is. I'm gonna be showing this piece of junk alarm clock. It's at the point where it won't even turn on.
Looks like a piece of jump alarm clock.
Like literally something rattling around inside. Now this is
when he runs, it sounds like something rattling around inside him.
It's gonna be kind of an odd video because, well, it's at face length. So
your mom's at face length.
I'm gonna put you on the floor.
I'm gonna put your mom on the floor.
Because, it's not really where you belong, so I'm not gonna finish my sentence. Where would be a good place to put my mic? So I'm gonna put you there.
I'm gonna put your mom there.
I'm gonna put you there. And, yeah. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna throw this on the ground. Wow.
I'm gonna throw your mom on the ground.
Cord. So I can actually pick it up easy. Just gotta get a good grip. Alright.
Yeah, it sounds like what happens when I see his mom at night.
Oh shoot, already in and two pieces flew off. I don't know what you guys saw, but no. Hold on, let me get a bit of lighting.
I don't know if you guys saw me in bed with his mom.
Bit of proper lighting on the subject. Aim it towards the ground. I don't know if you saw, but a couple pieces came out. Alright.
Couple pieces came out of your mom.
Throw two. Nothing. This is the worst time to post a video of me just throwing something on the ground. 3. 4.
Hey yo, Kyle Tet, why are you throwing shit on the ground?
I'm about to take 5, 6. Something fell off. 7.
Wait, what are you reacting to?
Bro, why the frick are you throwing freaking crap on the floor?
8. 9. 10. 11. 12. Yo, I think it's gonna explode on impact. I can hear like something rattling around inside. I don't even know at this point. So well, now I'm gonna drop a boot on it. Do not put that here.
What do you react?
Don't put your mom there.
That sucked. Do I have a hammer? Saw that hammer in here. I don't know. I thought I had a hammer. Like somewhere in my room I thought I had a hammer. Don't know. Shoot. Ah, this'll work.
Bro, it doesn't hurt to freaking split the freaking video part where you're being a really retard and no one wants to stare at your nasty ass feet.
So I'm just gonna quickly cut to my desk.
No one gives a frick, a flying frick.
Watch your
Just cut the freaking video to where we see the freaking content I'm making, unless it,
You guys can see more properly what I am doing. I'll see you guys in a few moments. Pause.
Bro, edit the freaking video. It doesn't hurt to edit.
Oh yeah.
Okay, can we just observe right now? Why the freak does his room look that messy? There is no way that a room should be that messy.
You guys. Alright. So I'm just gonna stand you up there. Ow.
Ayo.
Stand you up there.
What the frick is that mic?
So I'm just gonna stand you up there.
That cost $18.
Ow.
I thought this was a reaction, not a roast. Okay.
Oh, you guys saw.
Look at his face! Look at the top of his nose!
That.
It looks like a freaking airplane can land on it.
Oof. Well, back here.
Bro, it doesn't hurt to go to the freaking track and lose some weight.
At my usual recording area.
Ran?
The
Did
big
you say ran
so I can
on
actually
it?
see what I'm doing. Sorry if I'm blinding you guys.
Your vocabulary hurts.
I said land.
So I don't know if you know what I'm about to do, but some of all this drill.
If he said at the beginning of the video that his family was asleep, how did they not hear all this fucking racket going on? And, like, grounded.
Well, this hand drill I just randomly had over there. I didn't
Why do you have a hand drill in your room?
even know half the junk I have in my room.
You're junk in your room.
So yeah, things like really wobbling around. It's probably because it's old. Well, that didn't work. But there is something rattling around.
I thought this freaking was a smashing an alarm clock, not probing an alarm clock.
Died. Just go. So I can't pry it open. So yeah, I'm just gonna. So I really hope none of my family members can hear me.
Okay, if they couldn't hear you, then they have no hearing. And they must have took their they must have invisible hearing aids, because I've seen your parents before. They must have invisible hearing aids. And yeah. And they took them out. Because they were tired of your rackets. Because when you roll around in your sleep, it's like a freaking earthquake.
Currently, because
I bet he likes caressing that alarm clock.
yo, this cord's really bothering. I just also recently happen to have scissors in my room. Like I said, I don't know half the stuff I have in my room. So this shouldn't kill me. That scared me.
Who taught this kid how to wear use a freaking hand drill? so hard. He's breathing like he freaking was underwater until like he couldn't breathe anymore. Like he's like he has a respiration freaking disorder or what the frick ever. Bro, he needs to stop eating them donuts, bro. Bro, freaking eat some healthy stuff for once in your life.
So I'm just gonna smash this.
Hey, yo! He's just gonna smash this.
You know, these things survived a lot of beatings. It's like me, it can take a lot of...
Hey, yo! What requires a lot of beatings? He said these require a lot of beatings. What?
hits.
I bet he's doing that to the alarm clock because he can't do it to his own.
It's almost like this thing is indestructible.
Your mom's indestructible.
So, I'm gonna try drilling a hole through here.
Isn't this smashing an alarm clock? I didn't know it was probing an alarm clock.
Okay, can't really get it to stand up. Did that break through? Nope. There's definitely something rattling around in there.
Yeah, we can hear it when you're shaking it around right in front of the camera, you dingus.
Like, maybe if I fit that in there. I honestly have no clue what I'm doing at this point. It's like 11:13 right now. I can't sleep. Trust me, I've tried. I am tired as of like I said, as of recording this, it's like 11:13. I can't fall asleep. So what better thing to do right now than make a video?
He probably can't fall asleep because he's so freaking fat. He is freaking overheat because he's the size of his freaking room.
You know what? I think I might know where that hammer is. I have a lot of junk in here. Shoot. I don't know where that hammer is. Why do I still have this in here? It's like nothing in here. Why do I still have that? Oh yes. Guys, amongst the mess of the junk in my room, I have found my hammer.
Why does this kid have a freaking hammer in his room?
One of them at least. So yeah. Any last words, alarm clock? You've been annoying me with just your constant. I'm gonna smash that snooze button one last time. That's actually how I hit the snooze button. I just get out a hammer and pop it. Which is probably how I broke my last alarm.
This kid is so freaking weak, bro. I sumo wrestled him. I'm a freaking twig, okay? Do you see my freaking vlog? Do you see how skinny I am? Bro, you see how freaking fat he is? He's like 600 pounds, bro. I beat him in a sumo wrestle. Instantly.
Clock. Now I am gonna put the remains on my shelf back there. One of the shelves once I get everything moved from it. I have no clue what I'm doing at this point. I'm just gonna can like feel it, the snooze button caving in and out. Just hitting that snooze button one last time just to put it. ASMR. This will be a long video because I've no clue what I'm doing right now. Cause
Bro, it's not caving in and out. It's called pushing the fucking button.
I'm half asleep, half awake. Just okay, so I gotta make this hole bigger by drilling another hole. Oh, what fun! It is just drilling holes at 11 o'clock at night when you can't sleep. You're half awake. Let me just see if I can get this online. Not like online, like on the internet. I will definitely be able to get this. Oh yeah, I wish I thought of that sooner. Okay, so I'm just gonna try and tap this in. Because I have no idea what I'm doing, like I've said 100 times.
Bro, you need to go to a gym. I could easily crush that motherfucking thing.
I'm like half... I don't know how many times I've said this, but I'm half awake, half asleep. That's how tired I am. I may fall asleep filming this. We'll just probably have an hour of me just sleeping here. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a long video. I could just get this in there.
If he doesn't stop breathing so loud, he's gonna wake up his whole family, bro.
Having stuff rattling around in there.
Bro, he's breathing so loudly that his parents gonna think that there's a tornado outside.
Okay guys, I'm just gonna pause the video for now and see if I can get any process. I'll see you guys in a few. So guys, just a quick update. It's been like 10 minutes. I did manage to just get this part opened. So I'm gonna see if I can watch my hammer. Gosh, you. Please don't know.
It's finally here.
What the frick did he just do? Like, I don't understand, bro. He just like, ugh.
Subscribe, I mean. Hit me one, guys. Hammer. Gosh, you. Please don't unsubscribe, I mean.
Bro, your breathing makes me want to subscribe, bro.
We've got the disc version, so as you guys
I want to do it. I want to do it.
PlayStation 5 comes in two versions. For $500 US, you get the one with a Blu-ray drive.
Getting monetized.
$400 US, you get the one where you have
How are you gonna get demonetized if you're not monetized?
Okay, let me see if I can just reach under there and pry this out. Come on, get out. Oh yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here. Ow. Something just like clipped me. I'm okay. So I feel like something about like to fall off. Oh shoot.
Bro, look at that fact, bro.
I just like peeled off like the screen. I'm sorry guys, what
Oh dang! He just pulled off the screen. That's so much.
I'm tired. I say like a lot. Because I'm tired. Don't know how many times I've said that throughout this video. If someone has a
You only said that twice throughout the whole video.
time, actually comment down below how many times I say tired. Heck, maybe even make
How am I gonna comment if the comment section is off?
a compilation of it. I don't care. I just want to get subscribers at this point. So what I'm trying to do now. Okay, so I just cut something with a hammer. Oh yeah.
Oh dang, he just cut something with a hammer, bro. Oh no, I don't know what to say about this, bro. That's so impressive, bro. Yeah, that's so impressive. Like, oh, I'm so jealous.
Oh shoot, there's a lot of stuff in here.
No dip, Sherlock. What do you expect in an alarm clock? The time, like the freaking numbers and a screen.
Also make a compilation of how many times I've said that. So that's what was rattling. Sound like a maraca. Battery here. There's like some stuff rattling. Okay. So that's taken care of. So I completely destroyed this at this point. I'm gonna put this on my shelf eventually. But if you like what I did, comment down below. Well, actually, hit that like button if I can hit. Try to think of a good number. If I can hit 15 likes on this video, I will do another video of me doing this, but with like an actual old school gaming console. Cause at McKay's, I can get like a broken GameCube, and I can try and dissect that, or do what I did with the hammer and just destroy it.
feels like it's like weighted. Yeah. Sorry, that's why I meant.
But I want to collect like frames of stuff like this, like the actual outer shell. These things are falling out. And like try and get like a small collection on one of my shelves. So if you want to see me do that in the future, definitely like this video. If I can get 15 likes, I'll do a GameCube. So yeah, that's Kyle TT saying, "Oh god, there's something stinking in here."
It's you! Cause you're so fat! You're sweating up the whole daggone place. It smells like a freaking it smells like with the trash, like the trash bag is freaking burning and fire. That stink? That's what he's smelling right now.
Not actually saying that, but this is Kyle TT saying goodbye. Remember, So go subscribe to my friends. Link in the description. Links in the description. Goodbye. Remember. Back new video.
Okay, so this is the channel I'm talking about. So he had a roast me text channel in his Discord group. Link in the description for the Discord group for the general thing. But that's what I was talking about, and he had that, and I didn't do that much of a good roast because he did it for a roast video, but he didn't put my roast on the video, so I want to put my own. I want to do my own roast to him. So Kyle TET, if you watch this, no offense, bro. We're still good friends. I just want to make the video to react to your video. Yeah, and I'm not gonna unsub. Thank you for shout out. Shout out to you. And that's it for this video. I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.